Hi and welcome, it's Peg, and today on Art Joy is Sharing, which is another YouTube channel where we do art each week. I share the channel with my friend Shel C, and today was about collage. So I am working in a journal. This is a Diane Reevely journal. I think it's like 9 by 12 or something like that. I did start out the morning by putting down a coat of quinacridone nickel azo gold from Golden Paints just to create a colorful background. And now I have these papers that I'm collaging. Um, these are some uh, border pieces that I had created in another session, some stripy papers, some doilies that a friend of mine, Cindy, had sent to me, and I am just going to glue those down on the page using some matte gel medium. People ask why I use that. Well, I could use a glue stick, I could use any number of things, but I find the matte gel medium works really well when I'm working a page like this and I have a lot of paper that I'm going to adhere to the surface. So I'm just going to work my way around the page, adding a border. I spent some time the day before talking with friends online and just cutting out some papers. These papers that I'm going to use are from Art by Marlene. She has collage papers and stickers and all kinds of fun stuff. And if you're looking for those elements that are pretty much ready to go and put on a page, go check her out because she has some wonderful, colorful imagery that works well when you are just collaging in your own journal and having fun in creating. So I also had these tissue paper pieces that I'd stamped out. I'd been to a stamp show the week before and gotten some paper artsy stamps, and so I had stamped those on some tissue paper thinking that I was going to use some of those images, but as I progressed I decided that I didn't really need that. I wanted to keep some resting space in the middle and put some journaling on the page. Now I'm going to unify that border and background just by adding a color wash over the top. This is some Deco Art Fluid Media paint, and it just kind of knocks that stuff back into the background. Now I'm pulling out some of those pre-cut pieces of paper that I had in my collage stash, trying to figure out where I want to put things, what the placement is going to be on the page, and gluing those down with that same matte gel medium. So we're talking with the audience and having a good time, and if you like to come to a live show, go find Art Joy Sharing. It should be in the links right below this video if you are on a computer. If you're not, when you do get on a computer and you're on your YouTube, check out Art Joy Sharing. It is another sister channel where Shell and I share art in a live format. So most of my videos on this channel are not in a live format. And this is the live video that is sped up about 8 times fast. So if you want to see the original, you can go over, because we do save it, you can go over to Art Joy Sharing and watch the original video with both Shell and I on the screen. And then this is just my fast version of me creating that page. So I'm talking about collage and, getting out some pens, because that's all part of what we're doing when we're creating these things, is layer after layer. And when you're working in a journal like this, I typically like to let that page dry overnight before I come in and do pen work. But because this is an hour and a half show, I'm going to use paint pens because I can use that on a damp page and get some fairly good results. So that's what I'm doing. I'm choosing to use a pen as I work on this page. So I'll find a quote that I want to put on here. I'll do some more doodling, and hopefully you'll enjoy the process as I go through here. If you are new to my channel and you like this content, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, all of those things that you do to help my channel grow. And if you're going to do any shopping over on Amazon, I do have a link down below. It does help my channel with a few cents. Doesn't cost you anything to shop using my link. So I appreciate you doing that. I also have links below if you want to support my channel. I do have a PayPal and that sort of thing. So it just helps me buy equipment and things to use in my videos, and keeps me supplied with things so that I can produce things for you. So that's about it. I will continue with my sped up version here, and that's about it for me with my yakking, and I will see you again next time. Thanks for stopping by and for your kind comments and shares. Bye for now.